One important community in Tamil Nadu, Muttrayar, very important community, most populous in 5-6 districts. They are most populous community. They revered a king, their king, in their dynasty. His name is Swarnamara. He is Perumbidugu Muttrayar. He was known as Perumbidugu Muttrayar. It was his time was even before Rajaraja Chola, 8th century. Rajaraja Chola 10th century. He was 8th century king, ruling that middle part of Tamil Nadu, and he is very popular king. He was never defeated in any war. Very mighty empire he could rule over in those days. So the people celebrate him as their real hero, Swarnamara and Perumbidugu Muttrayar. So they have approached me to request the government to publish a commemorative stamp by the central government for their king. So it is very genuine demand. So I met our Honorable Finance Minister.